everyone, I'm Jackie. Today we'll make cold tofu salad with Yeondubu. Yeondubu is silken bean curd or tofu pudding. It's very soft like pudding and has no taste. I know it's very healthful, but I cannot eat it without any sauce or dressings. So I'm gonna make cold tofu salad with some soy sauce dressing. It's very easy and simple, but very tasty. Let's try it. Please subscribe my channel. Subscribing costs nothing. It's not like subscribing magazines or newspapers. So please subscribe. Thank you.